The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am.
Hola, hola, hola. Hey guys, bienvenidos. Welcome back to my channel for another video. Guys, I'm super duper excited because it's actually feeling like Christmas now. The weather is cooling down and it's just in November and it's very, very joyful, should I say. But that brings me to joy and for me to be able to decorate my home for Christmas. This is going to be the second episode, I think the third, because the second one was a decorate with me for my kitchen. So this is going to be the third episode where I'm going to go ahead and take you guys and decorate my front door, my front area of my home, and all the way into the living room. I can't wait for you guys to see what I come up with. I'm super duper excited, guys. It's finally Christmas season now. You can wear all the sweater your heart wishes, unless you live in Texas and it's like 100 degrees there. But guys, if you want to see what I'm going to do, let's go in. Let's go.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much.
So I brought my bin in the kitchen and I was taking everything out of the bin to see what I purchased and what I have there so that I don't miss any decorations. And a week or two previous to this video, I already decluttered all my Christmas decorations, so I don't have to worry about that. So I went in and I turned the TV on and I added this nice fireplace background. You can find this on YouTube. There's loads of them, or also on Netflix. But I went in and I added a regular garland that I can use every year just to intertwine with this flocked garland, so it's not too white and, you know, I just wanted to have a little bit of texture there. But this garland, you will need to go ahead and fluff it because it's very wrinkly. I'm not sure even how to describe, and very dirty as well. So then I added these stars, stocking holders, which I purchased from Goodwill, and these two, which I also purchased from Goodwill. Sorry guys, I won't be able to link these, and I love the way it's looking.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business.
I love fluffing my pillows or my cushions here on the couch because when we sit on it, it gets very flimsy. And also, I'm going to go ahead and add the new throw blanket that I purchased. I love the fact that it's light and airy. I can't wait for like a full house tour for you guys to see where I purchased everything. But yeah. If you're liking this video so far, please go ahead and click on that thumbs up button. Let me know what is your favorite part about this video, and grab yourself tea and coffee or hot chocolate. Let's continue, guys.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you.
I have 3 of these flower pots that I decided to move the second one here because where it was previously, that's where I'm gonna put my Christmas tree. So I thought I would add it here just that it can be a little bit fuller by the entryway. And we are also going to decorate the entryway in a second.
It's supposed to be making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la, 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 oh, oh, oh.
What color are you using for your Christmas tree this year or in your home? Let me know down the comment below. Let's share some ideas. As you can see already, mine is lots of the white, cream and red, the traditional colors. I definitely want to enjoy that this year.
Without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling.
So this will be all for this video, guys. It was a pleasure filming this video for you guys. I love this time of the year where you can find joy and peace and cozying up with your family members. You know, it's such a wonderful time of the year, as it says. So guys, find joy and peace in your heart with people around you and enjoy this season. God bless you all. See you on the next video, guys. Bye, y'all.
I put my feet up and we just sing along.